Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox on iPhone 15 Pro. So you have to start with opening App Store. Now click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search. And now select this application and click here to install. Now you can click open, and here you can set your Firefox browser as your default browser, or you can click skip. Now you can sign in to quickly switch between devices, or you can skip. And now you can turn on notifications, or you can click skip again. And now your Firefox browser is set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.